Today we're diving into the rise of one of South Africa's fastest growing young creators on the internet right now, Lulutho Peanuts. A name that just a few months ago wasn't on anyone's radar, but today he's working with some of the hottest influencers in the country and dominating platforms like YouTube and TikTok at the same time. Peanuts entered the YouTube space as a complete newcomer, but his growth has been nothing short of explosive. In a digital world where it usually takes creators years to build a stable audience, Peanuts managed to do it in record time, all because of his energy, creativity, and the kind of charisma that viewers connect with instantly. From the moment he uploaded his first videos, it was clear that he had something special. Content like teaching Peanuts how to drive, I told my mom I'm moving out, and asking people about their deepest secrets quickly caught attention and showed that he wasn't afraid to try different formats, experiment, and have fun. His channel became a mix of humor, challenges, mini vlogs, and high energy content that feels authentic and relatable. The kind of vibe people love in South African YouTube culture. And then things took an even bigger turn. For someone who's still considered new in the game, Peanuts has already collaborated with some of the biggest names online. He's worked with Ghost Hlubi, one of South Africa's most influential YouTubers, bringing a massive amount of exposure to his channel. That alone put him in front of thousands of new viewers. But he didn't stop there. He also linked up with Cyan Bougie, a name that always dominates social media conversations, and Peachy Sprinkles, another fast-growing creator with a dedicated fan base. These collaborations not only boosted his visibility, but also positioned him as someone who belongs in the circle of South Africa's top digital talent. You don't get opportunities like that unless you're doing something right. But here's where things even get more impressive. Peanuts isn't just growing on YouTube. He's also blowing up on TikTok, and this is where his raw power shows. His short form videos regularly go viral, and his personality shines even more in those quick, high energy clips. His TikTok success has become one of the biggest reasons people are calling him the fastest young rising star on the South African internet this year. It's rare to see someone dominate two platforms at once while still being so new. His TikTok audience has been feeding directly into his YouTube growth, creating a cycle where every new video finds a built-in boost from fans who already love his content. What makes Peanuts stand out isn't just the numbers though, it's his ability to stay authentic, fun, and consistent. Nothing feels forced. He has that natural entertainer personality, the type that doesn't need script or heavy editing to keep you watching. Every upload feels like a conversation with a friend, and that's exactly why audiences are rooting for him. As it stands today, Peanuts is part of a new wave of young South African creators who are proving that you don't need years of grinding to make an impact. Sometimes all you need is talent, personality, and the courage to put yourself out there. And if his rapid growth is anything to go by, this is only the beginning. Peanuts isn't just rising, he's taking over, and the internet is watching every step of the way.